ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് എക്സാം ടോപ്പറിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ബാങ്ക് എക്സാംസിന് CSEB ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അതിനു മുന്നേ ആരെങ്കിലും ഈ ചാനൽ പുതുതായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്തൊരു ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കാണും, അതുകൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായിട്ട് ലഭിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, Principal State Partnership Fund is maintained by answer option A State Cooperative Bank. Land Mortgage Bank in India are called as answer option B Depression Babies. Dash is Supreme Body of NCDC. Answer option B General Council. The National Dairy Development Board was set up on answer option C 26 September 1965. Custodian of DV file in Primary Agriculture and Rural Development Banks. Answer option B Valuation Officer. The crop loan system was introduced in credit societies on the basis of recommendations of answer option A Rural Credit Survey Committee report. The headquarters of National Federation of Spinning Mills is at answer option B Mumbai. The audit fee of a cooperative society is payable to answer option C government. Election disputes of cooperative society shall be filed within answer option A 30 days. A person who executes the award is called answer option B Sales Officer. Reserve fund is created out of the dash cooperative societies. Answer option D net profit. Transfer of interest on death of members is defined in section dash of KCS Act. Answer option C 25. Committee suggested that bank should make provisions for all non-performing assets on the basis of classification of such assets based on the age, irregularity, security, cover available, etc. Answer option B Narasimham Committee. TER is prepared by dash and dash. Answer option D Supervisor and Agricultural Officer. In outright purchase system, the society make dash purchase of goods from the members by offering ruling market price. Answer option A cash. Which of the following is not a product of Carefed? Answer option B Gold. Who is the last Governor General and first Viceroy of India? Answer option B Lord Canning. First Indian to get Bharat Ratna. Answer option A Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Answer option D Mahatma Gandhi Setu Patna. The Nobel Prize for Peace is awarded by answer option C the Norwegian Nobel Committee. Antara is the news agency of? Answer. Option C. Indonesia. How many medals won by India in 2016 Rio Olympics? Answer. Option B. 2. The first electronic digital computer of the world is? Answer. Option D. ENIAC. Which is the first fully computerized village of India? Answer. Vellanadu in Thiruvananthapuram. Moon is also known as? Answer. Option D. Fossil planet. Which ocean has the longest coastline? Answer. Atlantic Ocean. Which one of the following is not a noble metal? Answer. Option D. Mercury. Trade deposit is accepted by societies. Dash societies. Answer. Option B. Consumer societies. Operation flood schemes are financed by? Answer. Option D. NDDB. Which society undertake the production of coir fiber out of unretted husk? Answer. Option A. Coir Bristol societies. Showrooms of Kerala State Handicrafts Apex Cooperative Society is known as? Answer. Option B. Surabhi. Kibbutz is related to? Answer. Option C. Israel. ICA president belongs to? Answer. Option A. Canada. Dash is the chairman of CAPE. Answer. Chief Minister. Dash said cooperation in India was the result of government policy. Answer. Option A. Horace Plunkett. Dash is the multi-purpose cooperative society in Japan. Answer. Agricultural. In a cooperative society, dash is never allowed. Answer. Option C. Proxy vote. An officer appointed under Section 65 of KCS Act. Answer. Option D. Enquiry officer. Which among the following is not set apart from the net profit of a cooperative society? Answer. Option A. Gratuity. A scheduled bank in cooperative sector in Kerala. Answer. Option B. Kerala State Cooperative Bank. Goods sold for rupees 5,000 is recorded in sales account as rupees 500. It is an error of? Answer. Option A. Error of commission. Bad debts recovered is credited to dash account. Answer. Option C. Bad debts recovered account. Accumulated losses and preliminary expenses are examples of dash asset. Answer. Option B. Fictitious assets. Registration fee in connection with purchase of land is? Answer. Option C. Capital expenditure. In the case of retiring the bill, the holder usually allows a concession for early payment, which is called? Answer. Option A. Rebate. In a joint deposit account, minimum number of persons are 2 and maximum number is? CSEB എക്സാംസിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പഠിച്ചത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോ ഉപകാരപ്രദമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.